So this is a beautiful park, and of course you can see nature. You can see all around, all trees. Like you can see trees all around. Beautiful trees. They are huge, very green. Yeah. Tell me what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adventures with Urazi. So I am here in a beautiful park here in Rivoli. So today is Easter break. Yeah, of course it is Easter break around the world, not only in Italy, but also in other parts of the world. So I've been taking a stroll yeah, yeah. I was having a beautiful tour, in the city, in the city center, and now I am here in the beautiful park. Just to remind you, this is Adventures with Urazi. If you have never subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, because I'll be showing you some beautiful places that you have never seen, some amazing things here in Italy, and hopefully in other parts of Europe also. Yeah, I hope so. I'll be traveling around this summer coming. So this is a beautiful park, and of course you can see nature. You can see all around, all trees. Like you can see trees all around. Beautiful trees. They are huge, very green. Yeah, you can get these kind of things when you're in Turin. Yeah, yeah, because Turin is such a huge, it's a huge city, of course, and then it's more administrative. But if you want to explore nature, and yeah, you really want to explore nature, I think you should be coming around here. Yeah, places like here, Rivoli has a lot of things. Like, yeah, that's why I like visiting this city. Yeah, and of course, when I also have some spare time, yeah, I always love to come around here because it has a lot to offer. Yeah, I guess many people do not know this, but this city is really amazing. Yeah, look at this nature reserve here. Look at this beautiful park here. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. These are all green. So if you're someone who actually love green, who actually love trees, I think you should be coming around here, because you can see you have birds here. Like, yeah, I hope you can hear some noise or some sound. Not noise actually, but some beautiful sound from the background. Like, yeah, yeah. So here is typically nature, and it has a lot of beautiful things. So let's explore this beautiful place. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love these trees. Yeah, I love these trees. Man, let me relax a little bit here. I'm gonna behave like a kid. Yeah. For once in a lifetime, let me enjoy myself like a kid. I think I should move the camera somewhere around here. Yeah, I think the camera is good now. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Oh, guys, let me enjoy myself. Yeah, like a kid. Woo. You know, we used to do this when I was a kid. I actually used to do this with friends. Yeah, this is lovely. We're gonna go inside and then explore these beautiful trees here, because it seems like this is a huge place and it's all full of trees. Ah, beautiful. Oh, I love this. See, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after the count of 10, I'm gonna stop. 6, 7, 8, 9. DH. That means 10. So okay, now let's go explore. That was a nice fun. This is a huge area and it's all full of trees. Nice. Should be mindful. Wow, look at that tree. So you got like different types of trees around here, you can see, with different colors. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. So I don't know what should I do, because this place is so huge. I don't know where to start exploring, whether I should start it from this other end or the other side. But let me go around here. I think here would be awesome. Yeah. So that is it. I always like taking the right side. And I told you a story about that in my last video. So, as an African, we believe that wherever you go and you find 2 streets, or 2 roads, always take the right side, because right is always positive. Yeah. So let's go. Where am I heading to? I have no idea of where I am heading to. Ooh, wow. Look at these streets. It's like if you're standing somewhere around here, you can have a beautiful view. Yeah, those are buildings over there. Buildings. So guys, let's keep exploring this place. Let's keep exploring. It's beautiful trees around here. I can see some huge trees here. Yeah, some of these trees, like we have it in Africa, like this other one, I think it is, yeah, it was bond or something like that. But this kind of trees, we have it in Africa. Yeah, so, and I know any African watching this, he would actually bear with me that we have this kind of trees in Africa. And though I'm not very good in naming trees, yeah, I'm not good at naming trees, but like, let's look at this other one also. Yeah, these are huge trees. Yeah, huge and beautiful. So this place is really amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow, looks beautiful. Maybe I should touch it. Yeah, just for you. I need to be careful here. Wow, look how beautiful it looks. Mamma mia. You know, I am always careful when I am in a bush or somewhere that has trees. Yeah, I always care about where I step on. Yeah, care about my steps. Yeah, because it's important. Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at these flowers. Oh shit, beautiful. Guys, can you see that? It's beautiful. Beautiful flowers here. Hey, look at that tree. That one, we have it in Africa. Yeah, a whole lot of these trees exist in Africa. Wow, this is really amazing here. It's good. Nature is beautiful. So I should be going up here. 2, 3. Mamma mia, I don't want to fall down. Guys, I don't want to fall down. I need to balance myself. Finally made it to the top. Look. So, like always, you can find where to drink in case when you're thirsty. I am not drinking anywhere, but I just want to tell you, even inside parks, you can easily get water. It's quite important, so I'm only gonna wash my hands. Yeah, I'm only gonna wash my hands. Beautiful. So I'm actually having an amazing time here. Yeah, these trees are all beautiful. All beautiful.